Have you ever felt angry for no apparent reason or suddenly lost motivation without knowing why? Most people think emotions just happen, but the truth is deeper. Behind every emotion is a mental state, a story, a belief you have about yourself and the world. Change that belief, and your emotions change with it. This isn't magic. This is the secret connection between your mental state and your emotions. And once you understand that, you'll take back control. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. Today, let's explore the relationship between thoughts and emotions. Let's go. 1. Your thoughts create your emotions. In a bustling cafe, Clara sipped her coffee, her mind racing with worries about the future. Each anxious thought spiraled, turning her heart heavy. Meanwhile, her friend Jake leaned back, recalling a joyful memory, his laughter infectious. As Clara observed him, a shift began. She remembered the warmth of shared moments. Gradually, her anxiety lessened, replaced by a soft smile. The interplay of their thoughts revealed a profound truth. Our mindset can either cloud or illuminate our emotions, shaping our very experience of life. 2. Why you feel stuck emotionally. I often feel stuck emotionally, as if I'm trapped in a fog that blurs my vision of the future. It stems from a relentless cycle of self-doubt and fear, where every decision feels monumental and the weight of expectations looms over me. I watch friends embrace their lives with joy, while I linger in moments of uncertainty. Yet, it's in these quiet reflections that I realize this fog can lift. By focusing on small, joyful memories, I can navigate my way towards clarity and hope. 3. Emotions aren't enemies. Emotions, often perceived as adversaries, can serve as essential guides if only we dare to confront them. Consider Clara, who, paralyzed by anxiety, initially sees her feelings as burdens. Yet, with Jake's encouragement, she learns to embrace her worries, recognizing them as signals of her desire for growth. Meanwhile, Ethan wrestles with sadness, convinced it's a weakness. In facing his grief, he discovers profound insights about love and connection. Each character, through vulnerability, transforms their emotional struggles into powerful catalysts for change, illustrating how embracing our feelings can illuminate the path to understanding and resilience. 4. Positive mindset, real emotion. In the intricate tapestry of life, a positive mindset acts as a vibrant thread, weaving through the fabric of our experiences. Clara's journey reveals how embracing joyful memories can transform anxiety into hope, illuminating paths once shrouded in fear. As Jake reminisces, his laughter echoes, reminding them both of the power of shared moments. Meanwhile, Ethan learns that confronting sadness can unveil deep insights, reshaping his understanding of resilience. Together, they uncover that genuine emotions, whether uplifting or challenging, fuel personal growth and strengthen the bonds that connect them. 5. The feedback loop. In the intricate dance of emotions, Clara, Jake, and Ethan navigate a feedback loop that shapes their realities. Clara's anxiety, once a daunting shadow, transforms into a beacon as she recalls joyous moments with Jake, igniting a shift in her mindset. Jake mirrors this journey, learning that every hesitation can lead to profound understanding. Meanwhile, Ethan confronts his sadness, unraveling layers of love and connection. Together, they realize that emotions are not enemies, but invaluable guides, steering them through life's complexities toward growth and resilience. 6. Calm is a skill. Calmness is often misunderstood, perceived as mere absence of chaos or noise. In reality, it's a skill, a sanctuary cultivated through intention and practice. Engaging in mindful breathing moments, whether at dawn or during a lunch break, invites tranquility into daily life. Journaling thoughts, revealing their weight on paper, can lighten emotional burdens. Nature walks, where distractions fade away, allow for reflection, forging a connection with the world that nurtures inner peace. Embracing calmness transforms challenges into opportunities, fostering resilience and clarity amidst life's storms. 7. Emotional strength is mindset strength. Emotional strength is the foundation of a resilient mindset, guiding individuals through life's obstacles. Consider Clara, who learns to embrace her anxiety, transforming it into a catalyst for growth by recalling joyful memories. Jake exemplifies the power of laughter. His lighthearted approach fosters a supportive atmosphere, reminding us that positivity can reshape our outlook. Then there's Ethan, who confronts his sadness, discovering that vulnerability leads to deeper connections. Together, they illustrate that by accepting and understanding our emotions, we can build a robust mental framework, empowering us to face challenges and pursue our dreams with renewed vigor. Your emotions don't control you. Your mindset does. And that's powerful, because your mindset is something you can shape. Every thought you challenge, every belief you upgrade, becomes a shift in how you feel, how you show up, how you lead your life. Don't wait for your emotions to settle. Lead them. Start by mastering the one thing that shapes it all, your mindset. Because when you do, you are undefeated. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.